These are the steps from Ia Santorini down to Ammoudi Bay. They begin just below the famous Ia Castle, the most popular spot where crowds gather to watch the sunset each night. Ammoudi is where you'll find a handful of great waterfront restaurants with delicious seafood, and is where many caldera and sunset boat tours depart from and return to. There are roughly 278 steps, and it takes about 15 minutes heading downhill depending on how often you stop. The steps are a mixture of being paved and having cobblestones, somewhat uneven, but of similar widths and heights. The walk is lovely and very doable, unless you're wearing fancy shoes for a romantic dinner out. Just relax and walk at a pace that best suits you, knowing there's beautiful views to enjoy all along the way, whether heading up or down. Two of our favorite restaurants to enjoy in Ammoudi Bay are Ammoudi Fish Tavern and Dimitri's Tavern. It is possible to walk down or up and take a taxi in the other direction. You'll find far more detailed information about Ammoudi and all things Santorini, including best restaurants, hotels, and tours on our website, santorinidave.com. Plus, you'll find links to our many other detailed videos in the description below. Thanks for watching.